Looking for Poly B Plumbing in Ardrossan? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know outdated Poly B pipes can lead to leaks, water damage, and costly repairs. Our expert Poly B Plumbing services in Ardrossan provide professional inspections, targeted repairs, and full pipe replacements to keep your home safe. Whether you're dealing with a small leak or need a complete system upgrade, our licensed team delivers reliable, long-lasting solutions. In Ardrossan, aging Poly B pipes are a common issue, and waiting too long can result in serious plumbing failures. That's why we offer fast, efficient service tailored to local homes. Trust Kingstree Plumbing for expert Poly B plumbing solutions. Keep watching to see why homeowners rely on us, or call today to schedule your service.